Hello, I'm Greg Lang, the President and CEO of NOVAGOLD Resources. NOVAGOLD is a well-funded development stage company focused on our primary asset, the federally permitted Donlin Gold project in Alaska that we share in a 50% partnership with Barrick Gold. The foundation of our investment thesis is built on one of the largest undeveloped open-pit gold deposits in the world, Donlin Gold, viewed as an unexpiring option on an ounce of gold that we share with our shareholders, stakeholders, partners, and local communities alike. I'll start by speaking to our key attributes. Donlin Gold is a rare, high-grade open-pit gold development project with approximately 39 million ounces of gold in the measured and indicated mineral resources, grading 2.25 grams per ton. That represents twice the industry average grade. Above all of this, there's room to grow the resource through excellent exploration potential. The Donlin Gold project is located in Alaska, the second largest gold producing state in the U.S. after Nevada, and it is ranked as a top jurisdiction for responsible mining development. In terms of scale, quality, exploration potential, and jurisdiction, Donlin Gold's attributes far exceed any other gold development project on the horizon. When combined with our long-standing Native corporation partnerships, the exponential leverage to a rising gold price, and a strong cash position with key federal and state permits in hand, an experienced management team and board, as well as long-term supportive shareholders, NOVAGOLD is in a league of its own. When you look at the measured and indicated resources of comparable large gold projects in the Americas, Donlin Gold is the largest in its category, with the resource 4 times greater than the average. Global gold grades have continued to decline over the past decade and now stand at about 1 gram per ton. The combination of scale and higher grades, such as the 2.25 grams per ton found in Donlin's measured and indicated resources, provides longevity and resilience through multiple commodity cycles. For the long-term investor, there's additional value that comes with a mine that has a multiple-decade lifespan. There are only 3 mines in the world that currently produced greater than 1 million ounces annually. Donlin Gold would be in rare company. As currently envisioned, Donlin Gold would average 1.1 million ounces per year for the life of the mine. Looking at comparable scale mining operations around the globe, both in production and development, Donlin would rank among the top operations if it was in production today. And starting with a 27-year mine life, even before breaking ground, the rarity puts Donlin Gold in a realm of its own. After investing years in exploration and resource enhancement, technical and environmental studies, then the dedicated effort to obtain the first ever federal record of decision by the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers and the Bureau of Land Management, and obtaining other key state permits, Donlin Gold has been substantially de-risked and methodically brought up the value chain. Donlin Gold and its Native corporation partners continue to support the state of Alaska to advance other permits and certifications needed for the project. It is a solid foundation from which to advance this unique deposit. The time invested up front to plan development, both responsibly and sustainably, is critical to the project's success. In March 2021, NOVAGOLD and our partner Barrick jointly released the remaining assay drill results from the 2020 drill program, which yielded higher drilled grade thicknesses than predicted by previous modeling and has improved interpretation of gold mineralization controls. This was our largest drill program in 12 years, and it has improved our geologic knowledge about the deposit. 2021 has all the hallmarks of a game-changer year. We plan to integrate the 2020 drill program assay results into the model. We will launch additional confirmation and extension drilling in 2021 to expand upon the recently obtained information into the continuity and structural controls of the high-grade mineralization to also be included in the model. And finally, shift our attention to updating the feasibility study, subject to a formal decision by the Donlin Gold Board. Being in Alaska has allowed us to create valuable long-term partnerships with the Calista and Kuskokwim corporations, who own the mineral and surface rights respectively, and each has an owner's interest in seeing the project develop. Donlin Gold has worked closely with its Alaska Native partners for the past 25 years, and we are committed to the sustainable and responsible development of the Donlin Gold project for the benefit of all stakeholders involved. These partnerships are the source of key employment opportunities, scholarships, and preferential contract considerations that benefit Native shareholder corporations. In our 2020 Donlin Gold Field Program, 80% of direct hires were Alaska Natives. NOVAGOLD is thankful for the continued support and engagement with its shareholders. The strong relationships that we enjoy from everyone from our retail shareholders to our institutional investors were deepened over the past year. In summary, NOVAGOLD's 50% exposure to Donlin Gold as a Tier 1 asset in a Tier 1 jurisdiction and a pure gold play on a unique project that we believe, when seen for its rare combination of attributes in terms of size, grade, exploration potential, and partnerships, is a win-win scenario for all of our stakeholders. Additionally, as a transparent company that has delivered on its strategy for the last decade, with a strong treasury of $114 million and an additional $75 million due from Newmont in July from the sale of the Galore Creek project in 2018, this provides sufficient funding until we make a construction decision. With that, thank you all for your attention and interest in NOVAGOLD.